Welcome back to Logan's World. Today we're going to make key lime pie. A couple things that I want to introduce to you. I got a new mixer and a new whisk. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is make the crust. Preheat the oven to 350. Take our pie dish. Let's get that nice and oiled up. We are going to heat this up. It is 5 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Crust is going to be a graham cracker crust. Break these apart. Okay, now we're going to add our 5 tablespoons of butter. Nice and melted. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Now the recipe that I'm following told me that it should look like wet sand. Alright, so we're going to put that off to the side. Bring our pie dish back in here. We're going to add this Alright, so the next step is to cook the pie crust for 8 to 10 minutes. Now the yolks are the yellow part, right? This isn't too. There you go. Alright, so I'm using the store brand sweetened condensed milk because it was cheaper. Let's see how my new mixer works. That's pretty cool. Ah. 1/2 cup of lemon juice. I think we're done with this one because I want to use my other new tool. My new whisk. Are you supposed to do it like this or like this? Just cooled and baked and cooled. Now it is time to add the filling. Do that right in the middle. Alright, so now that we have that there, we are going to bake this for 15 minutes at 350. Alright, so after that's done baking for 15 minutes, then it goes into the refrigerator again for 3 hours or overnight, depends on what time you're doing. Now, I'm going to do it for 3 hours so I can taste it today. Alright, see you soon.